Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about belt, conveyor for TurboChef part number 102668. Belt, conveyor for TurboChef part number 102668 is a replacement conveyor belt for the TurboChef oven. The belt is made of durable, heat-resistant material and is designed to provide a smooth, even surface for food items to travel along. The belt measures 16 inches wide and can be adjusted to fit the size of the oven. It is easy to install and replace, making it an ideal choice for keeping your TurboChef oven running smoothly. The belt is also designed to be easy to clean and maintain, ensuring that it will last for years of reliable use. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part does not fix any symptoms. It is a replacement part for a TurboChef oven. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unpack the conveyor belt and inspect it for any damage. 2. Place the conveyor belt on a flat surface and ensure that it is level. 3. Connect the power cord to a power source and turn on the power switch. 4. Place the conveyor belt onto the TurboChef oven and secure it with screws or bolts, depending on your model of oven. 5. Connect the conveyor belt to the motor using the provided hardware and instructions from your TurboChef oven manual. 6. Test the conveyor belt by placing food items onto it and ensuring that they move along smoothly without. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.